Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Math for me and you. Let's learn maths together. Hello dear friends, I'm Sindhu Suresh. In this video we are going to discuss about even and odd functions. Do you know what is a function? It's a relation or rule between two variables, let's say x and y. Usually we denote a function as y equals f of x. And now we can look what are even functions. First of all, we can say even functions are symmetric with respect to the y-axis. In the graph of an even function, it's clearly we could understand that it is symmetric with respect to the y-axis. That means if y equals f of x is a function, when we replace x with minus x, we get f of minus x is equal to f of x. Now here we can see a graph and it is the graph of the function x square, f of x equals x square, and it is symmetric with respect to the y-axis. What it means? It means when we look at the y-axis, both the right side and the left side look similar, or the value of the function at x, that is f of x, and the value of the function at minus x, that is f of minus x, are same. F of x and f of minus x are same. So we could write f of minus x is equal to f of x. For an even function, f of minus x equals f of x. What about an odd function? From the graph we can understand it is symmetric with respect to the origin. What is the meaning symmetric with respect to the origin? If we get the graph of an odd function, after turning to or after rotating to 180 degree, we could get the same image. That means it is symmetric with respect to the origin. So here we could say f of minus x equals minus f of x. See the graph of the function x cube, f of x equals x cube. The value at x, that is f of x, and minus x, that is f of minus x, you can see it is negative f of x. At x, it is positive f of x, and at minus x, we get the value minus f of x. So we could write the relation or the formula for an odd function is f of minus x equals minus f of x. If we get any function, we can check whether the given function is even or odd or neither. How? Using these two formulas. We are going to practice that. Look at a question. Determine whether the following functions are even, odd or neither. You can see a function here. We are going to check whether this function is even or odd or neither. For even function, we know f of minus x is equal to f of x. That means if we replace x with minus x, we get the same function f of x. What about odd function? What is the formula for odd function? If a function is odd function, then we get f of minus x equals minus f of x. That means if we replace x with minus x, we get the answer minus f of x. Okay, let's practice. Here the given function f of x equals 3x power 4 minus x square plus 8. X we are going to replace with minus x. Left side, if we replace x with minus x, we get f of minus x. And the right side, 3. After that, I use a bracket to write minus x, then give the power minus. Again, I am using a bracket, write minus x, then this time the power is 2 plus 8. We know that if a negative number raised to even power, we get the answer a positive number. That means 3 times negative x power 4, even power. So x become positive x power 4. And the next term is negative, so write negative. Again, inside the bracket minus x, raised to the power 2, even power. So we get positive x power 2 plus 8. Look at the function we are getting. After replacing x with minus x, we are getting 3x power 4 minus x square plus 8. That means it is same f of x. So we can say the given function, when we replace x with minus x, we get the same function f of x. So it is an even function because f of minus x equals f of x. And look at the powers of x. X to the power 4, x to the power 2, and 8 means it is x to the power 0, all even powers. Second question. F of x equals x power 5 plus 4x cube minus 2x. We replace every x with minus x. and then we look what result we are getting. So we can write the left side, when we change x with minus x, we get f of minus x. The right side, use bracket and change minus x in bracket, then give the power 5 plus 4 minus x in bracket. What is the power? Yes, power 3 minus 2, then minus x in bracket. A negative number raised to the power odd number is again negative. So here we get negative x to the power 5. Then plus 4 we write same as it is, and first we look what is negative x power 3. It is negative number because power is odd number, that is 3. So we write negative x power 3, and I am using a bracket there. Minus 2 times minus x is plus 2x. One more bracket we need to simplify, we can do that. Minus x power 5, 4 times minus, it is minus 4x to the power 3 plus 2x. Now we get the result. Look at the result and f of x. Are they same? No, they are not. So what we can write? Not an even function. The given function is not even function because it is not equal to f of x. After replacing x with the minus x, we are not getting same question or same function f of x. Since it is not an even function, next we have to check whether it is odd or not. How can we check? Take minus from each term and then write. See, I have taken negative. I use a bracket. Now we can write without negative. See, negative outside. So inside we are going to write x power 5. Next term, negative outside. So here we get plus 4x to the power 3. Next is plus 2x. I have taken negative outside. That means the remaining is minus 2x. Then we get negative and a bracket. Look at the bracket. Is it f of x or not? Look at that. Yes, it is f of x we are getting. So we can write the bracket is f of x. That means we get, after replacing, we get the result is minus f of x. F of minus x equals minus f of x. We first took negative outside and then put a bracket, kept all other terms inside, then we get f of x inside the bracket. So we say f of minus x equals minus f of x. That means this is the rule for an odd function. So we could write this question, the given function is an odd function. Next function is f of x equals 4x power 3 plus 3x square minus 1. We need to replace x with minus x to check whether the given function is even or odd or neither. Left side we can change x with minus x. It becomes f of minus x. The right side 4, after that minus x in bracket, then power 3 plus 3, then bracket minus x, after that power 2 minus 1 minus x to the power 3. Since the power is an odd power, we get negative with x. Then 4 times minus x power 3 is minus 4x to the power 3 plus 3 times negative x power 2 positive x square. So here we get 3x power 2, then minus 1. Look at the result we are getting. Is it same f of x? No. So we write not an even function because after replacing x with minus x, we are not getting f of x. It is not equal to f of x. Now we have to continue. How can we continue? First put negative outside and then a bracket. Then we are going to take negative from each term. So every term become opposite sign. Minus 4x power 3 become plus 4x power 3 because negative outside. Plus 3x square becomes minus 3x square and minus 1 becomes plus 1. See here, after taking negative outside, we are getting an expression inside the bracket. We check that one is same f of x or not. No, it's not same. So we can write the given function is not an odd function because it is not equal to minus f of x. Minus is outside and not equal to f of x minus f of x. That means the given function is not an even function, not an odd function. So what should we write? Neither even nor odd. Some functions are like this. They are not even, not odd. So we write neither. Now look at the function f of x equals 2x over 7x square plus 25. How can we check whether this is an even function or odd function or neither? What we will do first? Yes, replace x with minus x. And the right side, both numerator and denominator, we have to change x with minus x. Numerator, 2 times minus x. X in bracket, we write minus x in bracket. Okay, denominator, 7, then minus x power 2 plus 25. What answer we get in the numerator? Minus 2x. And the denominator, 7 times minus x square. How much? Yes, positive x square plus 25. And now we stop here and look. The answer and the given function, are they same? What's result? No, not same. So what we write? Not equal to f of x. That means not even function. The given function is not even. Now we have to check whether this function is odd or not. How to do that? Continue from this point. How can we continue? Yes, take negative and write the remaining terms inside the bracket. But here the function is a rational function with the numerator and denominator. When we take negative from either numerator or denominator. Don't take from both sides. I'm taking from numerator. So it becomes 2x inside the bracket. And the denominator 7x square plus 25, same as it is. Now we look the bracket. That means it is 2x over 7x square plus 25. And the given function, are they same or not? Yes, they are same. Because you can see it is same f of x. We got f of minus x equals minus f of x. What is the meaning? What type of function? Yes, odd function. So the given function is an odd function. Hope you understand what we have discussed over here. And coming up are some practice questions. You could do practice on that. If you need any help, you just comment under my video. See you with more useful videos. And if you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.